Nice. Funny thing, Facebook has a tendency of like bringing back posts from way back. So I just found this post that I posted like 9 years ago. We were at Bush Radio here in Cape Town at a radio station. Super cool to see that. I totally forgotten that we went to this radio station. That was super cool, bro. Those were the days. I remember we were pushing more hip hop, but now your boy is making house music, and today that's what I'm about. And today what I want to do is I want to start with a vocal, because I've been making a lot of tracks, especially a lot of Afro tracks, starting with like drums and starting with keys and things like that. But I wanted to start with kind of like a vocal, and then I can take it from there. So headphones on. Let's see what I can search for here. So I'm just gonna come here and go to instrument, and then I can come here to vocals. Let's see if I can find a nice vocal here that I can use. Okay, that doesn't sound bad. Ooh, what is this? That sounds good, yo. Listen to this, bro. Okay, I think I'm gonna use that. That sounds really good. Okay, so I'm gonna drop that in, and it did change my tempo to 128, but I'm just gonna drop my tempo down to 123 since I'm making like an Afro track, and I'm just gonna loop around this section here. All right, and I'm gonna put on my metronome. Okay, so I'm gonna replace the metronome with a kick. So I'm gonna go into some samples, and I'm gonna drop in a kick in here. Okay, so I like to do a little bit of mixing so that I make sure that my kick is louder than everything else. So you can see here my volume, my kick is louder than the vocal. So I just turned the vocal down because my kick is supposed to be the most present and the most loudest thing in the track. But anyways, now time to move to, I think I want to start with like a bass. So I'm going to go into some synthesizer basses and see what I can pick. I want something that's going to sustain. Okay, I think that's good. That's good. Ooh, listen to that. Come on. Okay, instant record. This is coming along, bro. Okay, let me record that. That sounds good. So what I did was I was playing around with the cutoff right here. But what if I transpose down though? Ooh, that sounds even much better. So I'm gonna transpose this down. I'm just gonna drop it an octave, go an octave lower. Yeah, that's better. Now that's good bass. That is good bass, bro. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, I think I also want to add a last note there because it's going bum, 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 bum. Okay, so I'm gonna add this note right here. So I'm just gonna draw that in. Boom. Just right there at the end, like that. So that it goes like this. Dum, dum. Okay, wrong timing. So I just need to put it right here, like that. Just like that. That's perfect. I just had to get that right. Just that last, note that goes up like that. Before the delay on the... Why does this sound have a delay though? This is a bass sound, bro. Let me just remove that delay. I don't need that delay. I need to throw on a compressor on there so I can sidechain this to the kick. Where is the kick, bro? Okay, there's the kick, like that. So you can see here that I'm sidechaining the bass is ducking to the kick, right? Super nice and easy to do here in Logic. I love it, bro. Just to get that nice clarity and that pump. Okay, let's move on now. So I'm gonna throw in another instrument here. Let's look at something like a pad. So I'm just gonna copy. And maybe the pad can go an octave higher, like the octave that we're coming from, right? So it can go up like this. And I'm gonna turn it down. Okay, that sounds good. I'm gonna create another instrument again. Okay, so I found this sound here. It's called a fuzzy rock lead. So I think I'm just gonna record that in. It's just gonna be repeating one note. Just like that. I like that rhythm that is going on. I like that rhythm that is, you know. I like that bounce. I think I'm gonna follow that bounce and keep exploring that same bounce. Okay, so I found this sound here that I think I'm gonna also add to this. Just like that. I was just practicing with these few notes right here in the beginning. I'm gonna take these off. Okay, so I think I found a sound here which is called this Dream Dancer sound. So it's just gonna be like an arpeggiated sound that's just gonna go like, just like that. So let me record that in. Just like that. Okay, let's play around with the cutoff. Okay, I like how it sounds like this. And let me loop that. Okay, and I think this sound needs a little bit of delay, right? I don't think I like this delay here. Okay, I might need to also quantize it because it doesn't seem like it's in time. So I'm gonna select quantize. And I'm gonna throw on a delay right there. I'm gonna add a stereo delay. Let's create a layer for this sound here. I'm gonna go back into synths. Okay, so this is what the sound is doing. This groove pattern pad. I like the way it's dancing around. It's just doing some weird stuff. I don't know what the hell it's doing, but I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna throw this sound in here, and it's just gonna be repeating. Okay, why is that so long? Pause. I'm just gonna... Maybe I need to shorten these notes, right? So I can select all of these and shorten them. Okay, let's see if we can work on a little bit of some drums here. What I want to start with first is maybe some drum loops. So what I can do is I can go into beats and look for maybe a fill, right? So I'm gonna search for fill so that I can see all the fills and start there. Hey, that actually sounds good, bro. Okay, let me loop that and bring that back. And I'm gonna cut that like this and trim that. And I'm just gonna copy it over so it comes back. Nope. And I'm gonna cut that out like this, and then it's gonna repeat like so. I like that these fills come with a little bit of texture, right? Hey, that sounds good, bro. That sounds good. That sounds good. So then all I just have to do is just keep copying them over like this. Boom. I like the textures of these sounds. And I'm gonna go into my own samples, my Mega House percussion pack. The links to these drums are down below, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna record that in. Okay, now time to add maybe something like a piano. Okay, so I'm gonna add these chords in there. Just like that right there. Okay, so I was just messing around and I found this guitar riff here that I just wanted to throw into this track, bro. Holy snap. It just literally like took this track to a whole nother level. So this is what it sounds like, right? Oh, bro. Now listen with this guitar, bro. Woo, that sounds good. Oh, nice. Okay, I think this track came out super dope. Let me know what you think down below, but I just wanted to start with like a vocal kind of a sound and then see where I can take the vibe and see where I can, where I can go with it. But it sounds super cool. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe if you want anything that I use here on my channel, sample packs, presets and everything like that. Make sure to hit the links in the description down below and also subscribe. It really helps the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully you can check out the videos that are right here on screen right now. I'm X and I'm out. Peace.